me get the cups.
That's so exciting.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get served for you today?
Hi, I actually ordered online.
Perfect, come on down.
Thank you. I think I just went on the curb a little bit. Thank you, you too. It feels weird, we're like back in the same spot.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas. Yay! I don't know what day it is right now when you're watching this because we're filming this ahead of time. We're prepared. We're back. We're trying more drinks.
Holiday drinks.
And we're so excited.
So excited.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah if you're new here. This is Stephanie. We both have YouTube channels. We're just, you know, doing the thing.
We are doing the thing.
We're doing it. So subscribe. Subscribe down below.
Subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram. It's not Vlogmas yet when we're filming this, but we're excited.
Yes,
we're
we
ready.
are very excited.
Thought we'd kick it off with some holiday Starbucks drinks.
I'm so excited.
I picked 2 hot, 2 cold. We're also gonna do this on Stephanie's video with different drinks, so go watch that once you're done watching this.
Do we want to do hot or ice?
Maybe ice so the hot can cool down.
Okay, yes, I agree. So which one?
Let's do this one. And this time we just picked them. We wanted to choose, I guess. Did a grande dark, what was it? It was a grande, is it dark chocolate?
Wait, it was a cold brew.
Cold brew with dark cocoa almond milk foam. And last time we couldn't do foam because we don't do dairy. I know, I think it all mixed in.
Yeah.
We couldn't do foam because they didn't have almond milk, but now they do. They have almond milk foam. So I'm really excited.
I'm so excited because I have not been able to have any of the cold foam.
Prepared this time, we have straws on deck.
Ooh, bendy straw.
My mom was right.
Is it good?
It's so bitter.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
It's not sweet at all? Oh, no.
Because it's dark chocolate.
Now I'm worried about the one that we're gonna get for mine.
It's not bad. I just expected it to be sweet.
Okay, yeah, me too. It's yummy.
It is good. It's like,
Keep that in there so you don't...
yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna drip it everywhere.
I like it. It's pretty good. It is
good.
bitter. If you wanted sweetener, I definitely would add,
add
like,
something. I guess I expected it to be sweet. But
yeah,
it's not.
me too.
We should rate them again.
Okay.
I would give it a 6.
Oh, I was gonna go 4. I'm not a bitter coffee drinker.
Now I feel
like,
a little
I like
generous.
Sweet. That was your go-to. So, no, that's the most honest.
But if I was,
rating for you.
like, I got this, like, to just try it, I would keep drinking it. Like, I would drink the whole thing.
Let me try again. I mean, I would drink it. It's not to the point where I need
The
that sweet
aftertaste
that much,
is-
but like,
I think because
yeah.
it's dark chocolate.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think so.
all security's here.
Every single time.
It's like, okay, you're good. We're parked diagonally. Is he turning around?
No, but I'm just like confused. Why do they always come up?
Is he coming back?
I don't know what's happening. He must have just been wondering what we were doing.
Next we have a chestnut praline latte.
Okay, so that's this one.
And this one, we both watch Rachel, is it Ratke?
Ratke.
Rachel Ratke, and she loves this one.
I'm excited for this one.
I know, I'm excited, but also I'm
Ooh.
nervous.
Smell
What?
it. Interesting smell.
I don't want to say what it smells like.
I don't
'cause
know
then
if
you're not
I'm
gonna want to drink it.
Okay, don't tell me.
I'll tell you after.
I don't know if I like the smell of it.
I don't know if I can do it. It's so good.
Really?
It doesn't taste anything like it smells.
Okay. Ooh. Wait, why didn't her friend like this? This is really good.
And I don't like lattes.
I love that.
It tastes like icing.
It's so good. Like, I would get this
It tastes
in a
like
heartbeat.
vanilla icing.
This might be my new favorite drink, and
Also-
I'm probably gonna get this a lot now.
Talking about this cup, it's so cute.
I know.
That's
I want
so
another
good. Yeah, that's good. That's like an 8 out of 10.
Ooh, I think 9. 9 out of 10. It's too sweet.
No, it's not like, it doesn't have that like sugary, like how we drank the granulated sugar last time. Next up, I feel like this is going so fast.
It is. I feel like it always does though, because we're just drinking sips.
And these ones are good.
Yeah, they're really good.
This is a peppermint mocha frappe.
Yes.
No whipped cream with soy milk.
Oh
This
my
one
God.
melted a little. I don't remember last time I had a frappe.
I used to get them all the time at Dunkin' Donuts.
It's so good.
Is it?
So good. It's like a milkshake.
Oh, I'm so excited.
It's so good.
Ooh. Okay, I
You don't
like
like
this
it?
one. I like it a lot, but I like that one better.
Okay. I love it.
It's really
but
good.
I would never buy it.
I like the other
would
one
never
better. What would I rate that? I think, what did I say this one was? 9 out of 10?
9.
So I think
This is a 9 out of 10.
I think it's an 8 out of 10 for me. So we just flip-flopped. I'm really impressed too because that's with soy milk.
Soy, yeah. So we got Frappuccino
really
with
good.
soy milk. So you can do dairy free.
But listen, this needs to be more pepperminty. That's why I'm
That is true.
I think that's what's throwing me off because it's not, it's supposed to be a peppermint mocha, not just, it tastes more mocha-y to me.
Yeah, that's true.
Which is sad because I love
It was good though. Last up, this is the hot chocolate.
Oh, yay. Is it white mocha?
It's peppermint white hot chocolate. White chocolate.
White?
Peppermint white hot chocolate.
White?
Peppermint? It's like white chocolate, but it's a peppermint white hot chocolate.
Oh, okay.
Okay. White chocolate's just like sweeter? Is that where
It's just a different flavor too than like a normal mocha, but I feel like this is gonna be...
That smells delish. It smells like you're putting up the Christmas tree.
Ooh, wow. That reminds me of something.
Right? Tastes like a straight up candy cane.
Really?
Tastes like a hot liquid candy cane.
I like that. I think I'm gonna like this one.
That's literally what it tastes like.
All right.
It's not peppermint mocha-y. It's like peppermint.
Ooh.
A liquid candy cane. Do you not like
Yum.
it? Okay.
No, that's good.
I don't think I would be able to drink that whole thing though.
No. Oh, coconut milk.
Coconut
We've got
milk.
Coconut milk in it.
I don't think I would drink more though. Like,
yeah, I mean, it's good.
What would you give it?
I'd say 7 out of 10.
The problem is it's good, but I would never get it again.
I just feel like it's a lot. It's very rich. It's very rich. It's very minty. There's not really a chocolate flavor like we said. I feel like I'd like a normal peppermint hot chocolate better than that. And like I would drink the whole thing.
Like I think I like a peppermint mocha more than a peppermint white.
Yeah. If you like something that's not coffee flavored and not chocolate flavored,
then this would be like if you like vanilla stuff, like more lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah. That
So
would
I
be
think
good.
7 out of 10 for me.
I would say like 5 or 6. Because I wouldn't get it again.
I know,
but it is good.
I think it's good and that's why I'm rating it. I don't think I would get it ever again, but it's good.
Wow, that was it.
That went really fast.
That went really fast. What would you say is your favorite?
This
that
one.
You're gonna say that.
Honestly,
Honestly, same.
But you rated this one higher.
I know, but I wouldn't get it again.
That's true.
If I was to go to Starbucks and get one again, I'd get the chestnut flavor.
Yeah, I was so nervous about this one because first of all, it smells really weird.
Well, we get to go try more.
Yeah, I know. I'm so excited.
Mall Security's still watching us. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Happy Vlogmas Day, whatever day it is. Subscribe to Stephanie. Subscribe down below. More Vlogmas coming at you.
Yay!
And see you next time. Bye.